friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking Cornish hens in an air fryer. What we need for this recipe are Cornish hens, olive oil, and seasonings. I will use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. You can use any spices you like. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to open the Cornish hens and put them straight in the basket. If there's any liquid in the bag, then drain it. So here's the Cornish hen. This particular package does not have any giblets in it. If it did, then you have to open them and remove them. So here I'm opening the package. I'm going to drain the water because you don't want the liquid in the air fryer. Now, once the Cornish hens package is open, let's season them. So I'm going to rub them with olive oil first. So pour some olive oil on the Cornish hen. And rub it all over. And now I will season it with the seasonings. So I will sprinkle the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And then flip to the other side and do the same. And once you season it, let's rub it evenly so all the seasonings are spread all the chicken. Now the Cornish hens are seasoned, so let's put the basket in the air fryer. I will set the temperature to 400 degrees and I will set the time to 40 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's open the air fryer and flip the Cornish hens over. See how nicely they're browned on top? So we're gonna flip it so they brown evenly on the other side. And let's put the basket back in the air fryer so the Cornish hens finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the Cornish hens. Look at that, perfectly cooked. They look so delicious. See how quick and easy it was to cook the Cornish hens in the air fryer? Now let's try it. Crispy skin, tender meat. Perfect. These are so good and so easy to make. You love cooking the Cornish hens in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.